first work, that is you should write down CW and today's date. Please write down CW and today's date. CW and today's date. Today's date is 4/1/2021. Today is 4th January. So 4/1/21, or you can write 4/1/2021 also. Okay, so we have done the last day from your book addition, but today we will do addition also, but it is a new pattern also. Yes, Sugato, Happy New Year beta, and good morning Trishita also, welcome. So today also our topic is addition. But addition we will do today some another pattern, or you can say that is a activity. So how we will do? Same, first what shape it is? You know, it is a square. Okay, and in this square I am drawing here 1, 2, 3. 3 dots I have put in this square. Okay, and I am adding Shushobon. Now you, all of you, and Shushobon also, all of you, you just listen to me first, then after you will do with me. Okay, first you just listen to me, ভালো করে আগে শুনে নাও কি করব, কিভাবে করব, then after you will do. And Nandini also, সবাইকে বলছি আগে ভালো করে শুনে নাও কি করব আজকে আমরা, then after you will do with me যখন আমি বলবো. Okay, so first I have drawn here one square and 3 dots in it. Then addition sign I have given here, and beside of this I have drawn here one another square, and I am drawing here 1, 2 dots in this square. Okay, and now I am build a new dots and join all the dots together and write over here. Can you see these dots? How many dots are here? In this first square, that is 1, 2, 3 dots. I'm just writing here 3 for your concern. তোমাদের জন্য আমি এখানে লিখলাম 3, or you can write not write, তোমরা যদি নাও লেখো that is also okay. So 1, 2, 3 dots, and from here another square 1, 2 dots. Here is 2 dots. Then 3 plus 2, how many? 2 finger, and then after 3 after 4, 5. So 3 plus 2 is equal to 3 plus 2 makes 5. Okay, 5. So we will draw here 5 dots like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, is it clear? সবাই কি বুঝতে পারছো এটা কি করছি? Okay, same thing we will do another pattern or another type আমরা অ্যাডিশনটা করছি, বাট ইট ইজ অলসো সেম অ্যাডিশন, সেম দেখো আমরা অ্যাডিশনই করলাম, অ্যান্ড জাস্ট উই আর counted this type of objects like dots, we will count all together and write down the answer. Just these top squares, count together these dots and write the bottom square the answer. Same addition. Okay, so we will do this type of addition today. আমি জাস্ট এটা এক্সাম্পল দেখালাম কিভাবে করব. Now we are going ahead. এবার আমরা নেক্সট করি. Okay, is it clear all of you? Very good. So now the next one. I know you will do these type of objects দিয়ে তোমরা করতে পারবে. So now I am giving you with the numbers, and you know this pattern what it is name, এই নেম প্যাটার্নটার কি নাম? Do you know? কেউ জানো এই প্যাটার্নটার কি নাম? Okay, I will say, আমি বলে দেবো. First, all of you now you will do with me. এবার আমার সাথে সবাই করো. First, make a square or draw a square. Just ছোট্ট একটা স্কোয়ার করো like this. And then after you will put addition sign. এরকম addition sign দাও. Okay, next make one another square. আর একটা স্কোয়ার আঁকো. Okay, now first square you should write down in the box or in the square, you write down 2. And the beside or the another box or another square you should write down 1. Okay, and then after in this square, first square এর ঠিক তলা থেকে এরকম একটা স্ল্যান্টিং লাইন টানো. draw slanting line. Please all of you put off your cameras, but because it is the problem for other students, please put off your cameras. Students, please put off your cameras. It will be help for others. Ankita, Shushobhon, please put off your camera. Now next, 1 এর তলা থেকে আরেকটা slanting line like this. You also draw a slanting line from another side. Okay, and just bottom of this line you just make one another square. And you will write down now the answer or build a number. একটা নতুন নাম্বার আমরা বিল্ড করলাম বা তৈরি করলাম. So 2 plus 1, how many? 1, because 1 is small number, and 2 after 1, just 3. Okay, very good. So 2 plus 1, build a new number, that is 3. Okay, so if so that reason we have build a new number, so it is the process name is building numbers. ওকে, দিস কল বিল্ডিং নাম্বারস। যেহেতু আমরা একটা নতুন নাম্বারকে বিল্ড করছি, 2 plus 1, that makes a new or build a new number. So this number process is called or matter or pattern. This you can say that is a building numbers. Okay, all of you got it or understood? Now we will go ahead a new next one. Same. I know you also do this. Again we will first draw a first square. Very good, thank you Nandini, Inakshi, Shugato, Ritika, Tomojit, very good, and thanks to all of you. Now next, make one another box or square, then draw addition sign, then make another square, okay, and in the first square you should write down 4, and the next one you will write down 5 in this next or another box square, and both side you will draw 2 slanting lines and make a new square box. And build a number. What is the number? Answer 4 plus 5. Same addition, just writing pattern ta change hoye gache, isn't it? So same 4 plus 5, which one is the small number? Obviously 4. So we will give showing our 4 fingers, 1 2 3 4, and then after another number is 5. So 5 after 4 finger, 6 7 8 9. So 4 plus 5 is equal to 9, and we have made or we have built a new number, that is 9. So 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Okay, welcome Nandini. Now can you do this or it is enjoying? এটা কি ভালো লাগছে করতে এরকম টাইপের? So okay, so এই রকম this type of addition I will give you, you will do at your home. Okay, just I have here 2 additions we will do now, and then another one I am giving you, you will do at your home. So just you should copy. তোমরা সবাই কপি করে নাও নিজের ম্যাথ কপিতে, then after you will do at your home, or you can say it is your homework also. So number 1, box or square, then another one, and the slanting line also, and make a new one. So first I am giving you 6 plus 9. You will do the answer or build a new number. Do not give now, no need to give now answer, no need to give the answer now, you will do at your home. You just copy on your math copy. Next, number 2, No need to give answer now. Shattoki, Orgho, Brotin, please don't give the answer now. You will do at your home. You just copy on your math copy right now. Then after you will do at your home. So 1 and 2 I have given to you. You have written this one. Shall I rub it? Have you written? Okay. So now I am rubbing this and you will write next 3. Same. This pattern is called building numbers. Okay. 6, 7. Now fourth one. Seven plus 8. 5. Eight plus 8, and the last one. Nine plus 5. Brotin, don't give the answer now. You will practice at your home. This is your homework. Okay. So 1 to 6, these numbers you will do at your home. This is your homework, and we have practiced only 2. And I hope you, all of you, have understood this one. Same thing, same addition we will do, but in a another process, or not process, another pattern. Okay, just writing pattern is different. Rest of things same. Who is showing me? Shugato? No, Podinita. Very good, Podinita. Very nice. Very, very good. And the rest of the your homework you will do practice at your home. Yes, Shatoki, very good. So our today's class for this March. Next day we will meet again in our another video. Till then, goodbye. And now your attendance is going on, so please stay. Shomrik, Shugoto, Shushobon, Tomojit, Trishita. No, no. Animesh Nag, they are here. Only online is there. Okay. But no, ma'am. They are green in color. So I hope they have joined, but এখানে মানে কোনো আনসার দেয় না। আয়ান মুখার্জি, আফরিন সুলতানা, অনুরাগ, আর্য, Afrin. No, not Afrin. Is Animesh Nag. Anurag Murmu. Orijit, I can see very good. Orijit. আর আর্য চ্যাটার্জি, বিন্তিকা পাঁজাই, বিন্তিকা পাঁজাই, she is a prep student, so leave it. Nandini, very nice. Shushobon, Shattoki, those are showing me your copy. Very, very good. 17 অ্যাকচুয়ালি ওরা তো জয়েন করছে না, ওই জন্য ওদেরকে কাউন্টে দেখাচ্ছে না।